for me. His name is Polly.
Now say house. House, sweetie, house.
Hey, how are my girls?
Good.
How's it going?
Good, very good.
Yeah? Good. What are you working on? Cup. That's right. Come on, you can say cup. That's right, baby. You can do it. Look at me. Look, watch me. Cup.
Cup.
Lila, just let her say it. Won't you just let her say it, please? Look, I'm sorry. You just keep saying it for her. Just let her say it.
I'm doing my best.
They told you to say the word for her, Lila. I don't think so. Just let her say the word. That's all I'm saying. Okay? You're not doing that.
What, I'm supposed to leave her there totally frustrated
Cup.
and unhappy? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
No, just let her say the
Cup.
word. That's what they want you to do. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Cup.
Let her say the word, okay?
Cup. Cup.
Did it, Marie?
Interesting. All it took was one word and they all shut up. I wanted to learn more. What's that?
Chair.
That's a chair. Give me some of that.
Fence.
Fence.
Flower.
What about this?
Rock.
Rock. What are those?
Ew, bug.
Don't mind if I do.
Ew.
Marie, I'm going to the store. You want to take a ride with me?
No. Polly is helping me learn some new words.
No, Bunny. Birds don't talk and they don't teach, okay? They just repeat what we say. They don't understand.
Polly understands.